Describing a set. A set can be described or expressed or represented or specified in different ways. Basically, there are three different ways of describing a set. Roster form or roster method, descriptive form or descriptive method, and set builder form or rule form, or set builder method or rule method. In roster form, we list the elements. Roster form is listing form. This is also called listing form. Listing method, listing form. So for example, set A equals, we list all the elements within curly brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this set A is expressed in a roster form. Likewise, set B equals, we can consider all the even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. We cannot list all the even numbers. So we list the first few elements and then we put 3 dots to indicate that there are many more elements. There are infinitely many elements. Now, in descriptive form, we describe. Instead of listing the elements, we describe the property of the set. For example, this A, let's consider just this set A. A is a natural number up to 5. So we can write A is a set of natural numbers. Natural numbers up to 5. Or we can also say set of natural numbers less than 6. Or we can say set of natural numbers from 1 to 5. We can also describe in another way as well. We can use these curly brackets, but we have to use certain expression to represent the characteristics of the elements. So we can say natural numbers up to 5. See the difference between this first one and the second one. In the first one, we have used set of, then no curly brackets. But here in the second one, we have not used the terms or the expression set of, but we have used curly brackets. And if we use curly brackets here, it will be incorrect. So when we use curly brackets, it indicates that set of. Now, let's move on to set builder form. In set builder form, we make a rule for a variable. First, we assume a variable to represent the elements. Then we describe the characteristic or the property of each element. So in order to define this set A, okay, let's write here set A equals set of all x. Now I'm assuming here the variable x. X represents these elements. Now what these elements are, or what is the main characteristic of these elements, we describe here. Set of all x such that x is a natural number x is a natural number less than 6, or x is a natural number from 1 to 5. So x can be any. And how do we read this? We read this as set of all x, not only one x, set of all x. What are those all x's? All x's are all the elements, such that x is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6, all the natural numbers are there. Similarly, we can define this set B. B equals, let's suppose another variable here. Suppose these elements are represented by a variable y. B equals set of all y, such that, what is y? Such that y is an even number. Is an even number. This is how we express a set in set builder form. So in order to express a set in set builder form, we have to assume a variable to represent an element of the set. Now here, this symbol is such that this symbol can also be replaced by another symbol, this one. So this is also such that. So we need to understand that this is a symbol for such that. Such that. This is a symbol for such that. Such that. So we can use any of these two symbols for such that.